In this demonstration, we will look into a feature in Worksoft Certify that's a game changer for anyone in the middle of S4 brownfield migration from SAP GUI to WebGUI. Worksoft has a feature called SAP GUI to WebGUI Converter. It was first introduced to the customers in Certify 12.12306. This feature lets you effortlessly convert your existing SAP GUI automation processes into Web GUI automations. Let's see how it works. Here I have a pre-built Worksoft Certify process for the SAP GUI. Let me open it. Okay, so this process is for testing sales order creation in SAP GUI. So as you can see, this process interacts with various elements on the SAP GUI screen, right? And also I have parameterized the test data. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the execution. I'm going to run this for you. That way we can see how this executes against SAP GUI. All right, it entered the transaction, all the data. Okay, we have the order created. Okay, fairly straightforward and very quick. All right, now I'm going to close the result viewer. Now let's say how we convert it to Web GUI automation. So we are going to select the process. So if I right click, and we should see an option called Convert SAP GUI steps to Web GUI. So I'm going to click on this option. So what happens is it asks us to select application version to store all the converted windows and objects. So I'm going to choose SAP Fiori and hit convert. Now Worksoft Certify is working its magic, is analyzing. Oh, it was very quick. What it did is it analyzed all the existing SAP GUI steps within the source process, and it converted that into corresponding Web GUI automation. So I have a brand new automation created. Right, so let me open it. That way we can take a quick look at the steps. So the test data that I used for my SAP GUI automation has been retained, so it get carry forwarded to your Web GUI automation as well. And if you take a look at the steps, though the workflow or the functionalities remain same, I have the web version of the SAP automation. So I'm going to click run this as is without making any changes and see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to hit run, and let's make sure I have I have logged into SAP Fiori. Looks like that's the case. Okay, so it entered the transaction. So it entering all the test data. So the same workflow that was recorded or automated in SAP GUI, it's executing those against a Web GUI screen, right? So it's just a web version of the same workflow. Okay, so let's give it a second to complete the execution. Okay, they're perfect. Now, this feature is the dream come true for brownfield migrations. So you can easily convert your existing SAP GUI automation testbed to Web GUI automation. And that way you're ensuring a smooth transition to S4 with little to no work. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you.